Hello, Algebra 1 class. This is example 1b. Now, you guys have just finished solving a system of equations using graphing, but lo and behold, those two lines had the same slope, therefore they were parallel. The fact that the two lines were parallel means that there was no point of intersection and therefore no solution. Now, we don't want to have to graph an equation every single time we see one in order to figure out if it's parallel or not. You can try to take a problem and solve by substitution, and I'll tell you what happens, or you'll find out what happens as you solve this. So go ahead and pause the video, try to solve this system of equations by substitution, and then hit play again in order to see the solution. Looking at this system, I see that I have 2x plus y equals 5 and 2x plus y equals 1. When you're solving by substitution, you need to get one of your variables by itself. It does not matter which one. So we subtract 2x from both sides of the equal sign. We then said in substitution, take whatever y is, and it's a whole bunch of stuff in this case, and you're going to plug it into the other equation. The other equation says 2x plus something equals 1. And what fits into that something is this negative 2x plus 5. Now go through and combine some like terms. 2x minus 2x is 0. Plus 5 equals 1. You end up with a statement where 5 is equal to 1. Now, obviously, 5 does not equal 1. And whenever you end up with a situation like this, where you end up with a non-true statement and your variables disappear, you have a parallel system, and therefore you know that there is no solution. So the moral of the story here is that when you are solving a system of equations and you end up with a non-true statement because your variables disappear, then you have a situation where there is no solution, no intersection between those two lines. And the reason there's no intersection is that those two lines are parallel.